This is going to be a tough day. It's like 6:15 and the wind is pumping. I had a whole game plan set this morning. I'm going to try to help the eastern shore of the lake. I fished the western shore yesterday. So I'm going to try it. The wind's coming from the south pretty hard. I'm going against the wind. It's supposed to die down later this afternoon. It's almost white caps. If I went all the way down the lake, it's probably less sort of there. I don't want to row like I did last time. Let's do it. We got one. Look at this fish. Solid muscle. Solid fish. This guy is fed, man. About 2 pounds. 1 pound, 15 ounces. War eagle. Boom. This lake is supposed to have good largemouth, good smallmouth, and pike. I have never caught a pike. I'm hoping to catch one. I have never caught a pike. I'm hoping to catch one. That's a pike. A pike! A giant pike! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that was like a 5-pound pike. My knees are shaking. He was too big for the net. That's what happened. My rod's broken. Not gonna lie, losing that pike just devastated me today. That and the wind, it's been a really tough day. Caught one fish. The bulk of the day was spent in the cabin, not fishing, because the wind has been incredible. It's still strong, but I'm back at that cove. It's the only place protected from the full force of the wind. The weather kept saying the wind's going to die down in the afternoon. It hasn't died down. It's almost 6 o'clock. We'll try to catch a couple more fish, and then we're going to have to make up for it in the next day. We should go all in tomorrow if the weather cooperates. Maybe I'll get a Well, we got a fish. Got a dink. It's a fish in the eye socket, but he's okay. Little guy, it's something. Thank you, fish. Watch out for the gators. $15 ounces, just under a pound. It's number 2 for the night. We know where the fish are. We gotta find the big ones. Okay, fish. Bigger than they are. Oh, look at this. He's got a hook coming out of him. Look at that. We got the hook out. We got the hook out. Sorry, dude. You're too freaking aggressive. 1.6, 1.7. We got the hook out. Good for him. Good job. All right, fish. You're gonna be okay. I hope. Definitely need a longer net and a bigger one. But they're healthy. They're feeding up, man. They're tiny and fatten up. 1.4. This little fish is 1 pound 4 ounces. No hooks coming out of them. Okay. 1.4. Okay guys, the camera is going to go off because the light's about to fade. Today was a emotionally tough day. The wind ruined my game plan. Cut down on the fishing I could do. Wore out my batteries. I got too excited, did everything I told myself not to do if I caught that pickerel. Tried to get it in too quick, didn't play it out. It was a big fish though. I need a bigger net. And then I had to basically sit and wait. Now, this is a lot deeper than I normally fish. I'm kind of a 8 feet and less fisherman. This is probably about 15 feet. 15 to 20 out there. But I think we're gonna stick with this spot tonight, and then we're gonna come here tomorrow and see if we can do some damage. I got a lot of ground to make up for the lost fish because I really want like 10 a day. And I got what, 4 or 5 today. Got a lot. I gotta make 15 tomorrow unless I catch some more today. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. That helps a lot. Leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Keep up fishing outdoors. Catch anything, I'll turn the cameras back on, but otherwise, Eagle Scout. Bam! And pike. I have never caught a pike. I'm hoping to catch one.